Hello! One friend asked me how come I never show my face in my video. It's because my hair is very long, very fat from lack of exercise. Not handsome already, right? Not handsome already, huh?
You still look good to me.
Oh, she complained that I never shave. When I don't shave, she keeps complaining, right?
Yes, whenever you kiss me, you prickle and tickle.
Okay, so today let me share with you two recipes for roasting of a turkey leg. You can use it on a chicken drumstick as well, Asian and Western marinade. Let's go!
Let's go!
For the more Asian marinade, I'm using Szechuan peppercorn, mala, a bit of Chinese fried spice powder, myeongfen, not too much, don't want to overpower the mala. I'm using garlic salt, but ordinary salt is okay. Blend them together in a mortar and pestle and set aside.
For the more Western marinade, it is coriander powder, smoked paprika, black pepper, and salt.
I got these turkey drumsticks for about Aussie 220 each, very good value. I'm only scoring the meat and not the skin. Drizzle some oil and here comes my favorite part, marinate them.
There you have it, 2 different simple recipes for roasting turkey or chicken drumsticks. Look at me!
So camera kid, which flavor do you prefer?
Western.
Why Western?
I just like it more.
Yeah, I just think mala is actually, you have to like mala to like the other marinade. So thank you for watching.
Please subscribe!